Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about the word account. This word is very useful in daily life. Let's explore its meanings together in a fun and simple way. What does account mean? Account means a story or record of something. It can be about money, information, or an explanation. We use this word in many different situations every day. The word account has different uses. It can mean a bank account where you keep money. It can mean a social media account. It can mean a story or explanation. It can also mean to consider something. Let's hear a conversation at a bank. Customer says, "Hello, I want to open a bank account, please." Bank teller replies, "Sure. I can help you with that. Please fill out this form." Now, a conversation about social media. Person says, "I cannot log into my account." Friend replies, "Did you forget your password? Try the reset button. Enter your account name first." Here is another conversation. Manager asks, "Can you give me an account of the meeting?" Employee replies, "Yes, I will explain everything that happened. Let me tell you the full story." Listen to this conversation about planning. Father says, "We must take the weather into account before our trip." Mother replies, "Yes, let's check the forecast. We should consider everything carefully." A customer service conversation. Customer says, "I cannot access my account. Can you help me?" Agent replies, "Of course. Let me check your information. I will help you solve this problem." A business meeting conversation. Manager says, "Let's review the account numbers for last month." Team member replies, "Here are the reports. All the records are ready for you to see." Now, a personal conversation. Friend says, "Let me give you my account of how I felt." Other friend replies, "Please tell me. I want to understand your feelings and your point of view." Now let's enjoy a children's story. This story will help you understand account even better. Meet Lily and Tom. They are best friends. They love to learn new words together every day. One day, Lily went to the bank with her mother. She said to the bank teller, "I want to open a bank account, please." The teller smiled and said, "That's wonderful. You are learning to save money." Meanwhile, Tom was at home playing on his computer. He tried to log into his favorite game. He said, "Oh no. I forgot my game account password." His sister helped him reset it quickly. Later, Lily met Tom at the park. She was very excited. She said, "Let me give you an account of my day at school. So many fun things happened today. I want to tell you everything." Tom and Lily decided to plan a picnic together. Tom said, "We must take the weather into account." Lily agreed. "Yes, let's check if it will rain. We should plan carefully for our special day." Lily had a question about her new bank account. Tom said, "Call the bank if you have problems with your account. They will help you. You can also ask your mother to explain how it works." Lily wanted to share her feelings with Tom. She said, "I want to give you my account of how I felt today." Tom listened carefully. "Tell me everything," he said. "I am here to listen to you." The children were saving money for their picnic. Tom said, "Let's check our money account for the picnic." They counted their coins together. They had saved enough money for snacks and drinks. Finally, picnic day arrived. The weather was perfect and sunny. Lily said happily, "The day is perfect. We took everything into account." Tom smiled. "Yes, our planning worked very well." At the end of the day, Lily and Tom waved goodbye. Tom said, "Thanks for listening to our account." Lily added, "We hope you learned a lot today. Remember to use this word in your daily conversations." Let's summarize the key meanings of account. A bank account is a record of your money. A social media account is your online profile. An account can be a story or explanation. Take into account means consider carefully. Quiz time. Which account means your online profile? Is it a bank account? Is it a social media account? Is it a story? Or is it considering something? Think carefully and choose your answer. Here are more examples. She opened a new bank account at the local bank. He forgot his social media account password yesterday. Please take my idea into account when you make your decision. These are simple examples. Why should you learn the word account? It helps you understand many situations in life. It is common in daily conversations with friends and family. It is useful for work and school activities too. Let's practice speaking. Try saying this sentence out loud. I have a bank account. Say it slowly and clearly. Now say it again with confidence. Practice makes perfect. Keep repeating until it feels natural. How do you use account in sentences? Here are examples. I have an account at the bank. My account on the website is safe and secure. She gave an account of the trip to everyone. Remember these important phrases. Open an account means to start a new record. Log into your account means to access your profile. Take into account means to consider something carefully before deciding. Review and practice tips for you. Listen and repeat conversations many times. Use the word in your daily talk with others. Write your own sentences using account. Practice every day to improve your English skills. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed this lesson about account. Keep practicing this word every day. Use it in your conversations. Learning English can be fun and easy. Do you have questions? Visit our YouTube channel Wordscience for more lessons. Subscribe and turn on notifications. We create new videos every week. Keep learning and improving your English with us. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson. Remember to practice speaking English every day. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Keep learning with Wordscience.